so I actually got a proper Docker station this time. The Smooth Action 6. And the main event, of course, the fragile screen. Let's not go break from around them. Am I supposed to be speaking pidgin? Scratch ya, scratch ya, scratch ya. So hey guys, welcome back to another video. Remember I told you guys I was going to get some stuff that I was going to use on my travel. So I ordered from Temu and it arrived today. I showed you guys the clip earlier on. So we'll get right on to unboxing it one by one. So first we have this. So I'm guessing this is the camera. So I watched a lot of videos and got a lot of recommendations, and this was what I set up for. We have here the Smooth Action 6. What the hell is this, man? So this is, I finally got a Docker. I remember in the last video I was saying I was using, where is it, those multi-sockets. So I actually got a proper Docker station this time, and this is meant to power my PC and my laptop, and of course a portable monitor, and of course going to charge this. What's this? First time finding bits. Ooh, so many pouch, man. So when notice goes right, go left. So package number 2. This is like the main stuff. Use this around the house, so useful. And the main events. So this is the portable monitor. Going to be cutting them open one by one. Let's start with the Docker.
Oh Jesus. Oh, the struggle. The suffer is real. Not true.
This is gonna be interesting. God damn, this shit is crazy, bro. Nice. So it says it has HDMI, USB A and C, 10 gigabyte and 5 gigabytes, then RJ45 and SD card. I think that's pretty much it. It's quite light. This is like probably the lightest camera I've seen, man. Spoil box, fuck. Accessories. Probably have some nuts, and of course the battery holder. Some stuff, some more mounts, another cable. That's pretty much it. So now to the main events. They gave me some stickers in it. Panda. You can see it. Power cables. Four small cables. Cables everywhere. Lights. Actually really light.
Oh my god! Wow!
And of course the fragile screen. This is no go break from my hand. 16 inch. So my remote setup is fine. So this is a 16 inches portable monitor. So it has an audio jack, and here it has more jacks. I don't know if you can see how light it is. So that's it. I'll leave the prices in the comment section. So like the video, comment. If you want one of these, I'll drop the links to where I bought them, so you'll definitely see the prices anyways. So if you want any of this, you can hit me up. I might be giving out this monitor, this pad, probably this table, this as well. So let me know in the comment section, and I'll catch you on the next one.